Samantha always loved writing, but she never thought she could make a living out of it. Instead, she got a job as a customer service representative at a call center to make ends meet. She liked her job well enough, but it wasn't fulfilling. She often found herself daydreaming about the stories she could be writing instead. One day, while scrolling through her social media feed, she saw a post about a writing competition. The prize was to have her story published in a well-known literary magazine, and the competition was open to anyone, regardless of experience. Samantha had a gut feeling that this was her chance to pursue her passion, but her fear of rejection held her back. After much deliberation, Samantha decided to take the plunge and entered the competition. She spent all her free time writing, revising, and polishing her submission, pouring her heart and soul into every word. Months went by without any news, and Samantha thought she didn't get it. But one day, she received an email congratulating her on winning the competition. Her story was going to be published in the literary magazine, and she received a lot of positive feedback. The recognition Samantha received boosted her confidence, and she started writing more in her free time. She attended workshops and networking events to hone her craft and make connections in the industry. Slowly but surely, she started building a name for herself as a talented writer. Eventually, Samantha decided to take a leap of faith and quit her job to pursue writing full-time. It was a scary decision, but she knew it was what she really wanted. She faced a lot of challenges along the way, but she never gave up. Today, Samantha is a successful author, having published several best-selling books. She's also a sought-after speaker and mentor, inspiring aspiring writers to follow their dreams. Her story serves as a reminder that it's never too late to pursue your passions and that with hard work, perseverance, and a little bit of luck, anything is possible.